Hello there, my friends. I just wanted to share this with you. I just hooked up the T-Mobile 5G Wi-Fi for your house, right? 5G internet. And it was like, yeah, a little bit of a process, but not real hard to do. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you, the download speeds are amazing. I'm going to do a test and show you the speeds and that sort of thing. But the upload speeds are like ridiculous. Obviously, I do YouTube and I upload a lot of videos. So I just uploaded a 27-minute video and it took 7 minutes. Now, this is I know there's a lot of different codecs and everything. This is like an Apple iMovie one, just at the standard settings. So if that gives you any idea. But like I tried to upload one on my regular Wi-Fi network. I use Comcast, Xfinity. And oh my God, it took like almost as long as the video in order for it to upload. So yeah, big difference, 7 minutes. This could be a game changer. I'm trying not to get too excited about this, but so far, pretty happy with the results. So hope you guys have a great day. Smash like for me, and that helps me a lot. If you want to see more, tell me, put it in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Talk to you soon. Take care.